This rock's been stepped on so many times, it's barely a narcotic.
See, Darby's making his move into charming, dealing at that lumber mill. Clay, we gotta send this Nazi asshole a clear message now.
All right, why don't we just go talk to the driver? Ask him why he bought the meth.
Go. How's McKeevy's cash bailing up?
Luann came up with 55. We need 15 more.
Got 6 hours to find it. If you ever want to own a top rocket prospect, then you better bring 15 grand to the table. Sharpish. You got me?
Darby's guys. Can't be good.
Holy shit.